Hello guys, it's 6 o'clock in the AM and it's the official day 1 of our SLC, and here is our room. Grabe, sobrang lamig ng room. Sobrang lamig na. Sobrang lamig na room. Ang schedule namin today is dapat 6 to 7:45 is namin breakfast, and dapat 7:45 AM is na kami, okay na kami or settled na kami doon sa may ballroom 1 para umpisahan official start yung activities namin for today. And God may bless me para sa araw na to.